In Happenee, we provide this virtual platform including a full-on registration process. We create branded, customized 3D worlds which illustrate the story of your event. On top of that, we help you conquer the entire event organization. Pass on information excitingly in the spirit of the whole event. Watch live video content and actively engage, communicate and network thanks to the interactive panel via chat, questions or polls. A sentiment meter gives attendees an extra opportunity to express themselves and give feedback. Unique trade fair experience offers widely applicable solutions. Expo offers breakdown of basically any information into individual sections, which are customizable as needed. Support the topic with a video and share loads of information in the interactive panel, which includes chat where you can reach sales representatives easily. Based on a detailed analysis of user behavior during the event, we can reward the relevant activities with a significant number of points on the leaderboard. Just like that, you can support the speaker's viewership and increase user interactivity to the max. Go create the event, engage naturally, be present and have fun during the whole time. Turn on the jukebox and stretch in the workout corner. Social wall and pinboard allow you to share your adventures, videos, notes and more with others. A great way to build and strengthen the community, especially when people can meet in person.